This is a face moisturizer, lip balm, hair mask, and body butter. If you were stranded on a desert island and could only bring one skincare ingredient, it should be shea butter. Let me show you how to use it for, well, everything. Today we're doing a deep dive into shea butter. I'll tell you what it is, why your skin is craving it, and exactly how to use it. Whether you use it straight from the jar or whip it into a luxurious cream. If you're ready to simplify your skin routine with one powerhouse ingredient, hit that like button and buckle up. First things first, what exactly is this stuff? When you get it from Simply Earth, it'll be in a jar like this, and when you open it up, you'll notice that it is solid. But when I scoop it out, look what happens. Shea butter is a plant-based fat extracted from the African shea tree. It stays solid at room temperature, which is why it sits happily in this jar, but it's soft and spreadable and melts at body temperature. It is packed, and I mean packed, with vitamins A, E, and F. These are powerhouse vitamins that promote strong antioxidant activity and helps your skin regenerate. A lot of people ask me, will this clog my pores? And the best part is no, it won't. Shea butter has a comedogenic rating of a 0 to 2. That is super low on the scale. You can use this on your feet, elbows, and even your face. So why would I want to use this instead of a standard drugstore lotion? 2 words, moisture barrier. Most lotions are mostly water and evaporate quickly. Shea butter is an emollient. It softens the skin and creates a protective layer that locks moisture in. If you struggle with eczema, psoriasis, or just dry, itchy winter skin, shea butter can help you. Shea butter creates a shield that lets your skin heal underneath. It's also incredible for collagen production. Because of those vitamins we mentioned, consistent use can actually help with skin elasticity and help reduce the appearance of stretch marks. It's basically nature's superfood for your skin. Okay, so hopefully by now you're sold on the benefits, but you can't just pump it out onto your skin. It's a solid. So how can you use it? Here are 2 simple ways. Method 1 is a raw melt. Scoop a small piece out, put it on your hand, and rub your hands together. The friction will make the shea butter melt to moisturize and soften your skin. Then just press it into your skin. This is perfect for targeted areas like chapped lips, dry knuckles, or split ends. Method number 2 is my favorite, creating a whipped body butter. If you melt shea butter down along with a liquid carrier oil like almond oil or jojoba, then let it cool until it's semi-solid, and then whip it up with a mixture, it turns into a fluffy cloud-like dream. And this is where you can get creative. Add your favorite Simply Earth essential oils to add benefits, like lavender to help you rest better, or grapefruit for energy, and you have a high-end luxury cream at the fraction of the price. Now, you can buy shea butter in a lot of places, so why should you get it at Simply Earth, you may be wondering. First, it's about purity. Our shea butter is 100% pure, no fillers or extras. When you're putting something on your skin to help it heal, the last thing you want is hidden toxins. We responsibly source to make sure our shea butter is 100% pure every time. But the biggest reason is impact. At Simply Earth, we exist to make your home more natural, but we also exist to change the world. 13% of all Simply Earth profits go to end human trafficking. When you buy this jar of shea butter, not only are you healing your skin, but you're also helping heal the lives of others. It's skincare with a purpose. Shea butter is a staple. It's versatile, it's powerful, and it really is that desert island skincare ingredient. If you want to grab a jar of Simply Earth's 100% pure shea butter, I've shared a link down below. And while you're there, check out our essential oil recipe box where you can learn to mix ingredients like this shea butter into amazing products. Now, I want to hear from you. Do you prefer using shea butter right out of the jar or whipping it into a body butter? Tell me in the comments below. Thanks for watching and welcome to your more natural home.